This is Mrs. Ramya Shastri, and I am mother of a beautiful, wonderful, and an intellectual child, 7-year-old, my daughter, Miss Kanishka Shastri. And today I am glad to inform you all about the benefits that I have obtained and I have been experiencing from in pregnancy program that I have attended in the year 2013. So let me start with a little introduction of mine. So I am a lecturer and I was working at a PES group of institutions. And why I want to particularly mention about in pregnancy care is because I am a woman who was down with lot of fear patterns, and that is because of some of the bitter past experiences that I had over the period of time. Because as I said, Kanishka is my daughter. Before Kanishka, I had one miscarriage in my 4th month. So because of which I was really, I had lot of obstacles in my mind. In fact, I was even confused. Should I carry this pregnancy, or how this pregnancy is going to be, and how I'm going to face this, and will this be a successful pregnancy? Too many questions, too clumsy in my mind. I am not having any kind of clarification. Then it was one fine morning when I had to meet Dr. Shanti, and to my knowledge it was such a testing time for me. So doctor was busy, I had taken an appointment, she was busy in her surgery, and it was almost for 3 hours that I have waited for her. Maybe God has decided in that way that I had to meet her that day at any cost. So it was from 10 o'clock to 1 o'clock I waited. Then I met Dr. Shanti on that day. Then she told, I have explained her all the bitter past that I had, and then she told not to worry, Mother Nature will take care of you. You are in the. Then I felt for a moment that I was in the safest hands, and I can definitely continue with this pregnancy of mine. So I went for a scanning. Everything was fine. Then it all started. Then somewhere in my 4th month, I had lot of complications, health complications. Though I was 28 years old by then, I had a lot of issues with my health as well. And I was diagnosed with highly diabetic, and I was, over a period of time, by the time I reached my 7th month, I was almost consuming 150 units of insulin. Apart from that, I also had the complication of single umbilical cord. So these were my health issues. So then doctors told me about this in pregnancy program. So somehow I don't know what triggered me or what attracted me. Since I had the bitter past, then I decided then and there itself I am going to attend this program. And the first session of mine has built so much of confidence in me that I became a role model for all the other patients who were diabetic. I used to tell them the simple way of taking insulin and still maintaining your diet, and also keeping yourself healthy and also your child healthy. So this is what I have learned at the initial stages. Then I experienced the talks that we used to have with Dr. Sita ma'am, and then the way, because technology was not all that great that we are experiencing today, it was pretty tough for Dr. Shanti also to arrange every time this particular care program. And since we were in the same sailing in the same boat, all the other pregnant ladies, I used to have a lot of good experiences with the other women whom I met. I learned yoga. I dropped all my fear patterns because as I said, because of some bitter past experiences, I used to always have a fear of some kind of accidents also, but I dropped that fear also. I was very confident over a period of time. Then the time of delivery has arrived. It was an emergency case. It is altogether a different story. Then I had this on 13th August 2000, on 20th August 2013. A beautiful, a wonderful, a lovely child was born, and that is Kanishka, what she is today. And she was an underweight baby, born almost 20-25 days in advance. She was underweight. She was just 2.3 kilos, and probably after 15 days or something, it reduced it to 1.8. So for me, it was very challenging task, but with the great support that I had from Dr. Srilekha ma'am and Shanti ma'am, I just cannot forget it throughout my life. And then this beautiful daughter started to grow, and I could see so much of difference when I am comparing Kanishka with the other children of the same age group. The maturity that she carries today, because as soon as she was born, Dr. Shanti ma'am has clearly told a Devi is born to you, because she is born on the birthday of Gayatri Devi. So ma'am told very clearly that Devi herself has born to you, and you will start learning from her, Ramya. This was a statement which was made by Dr. Shanti when she was born, and it remained true till date, and I know it will also remain true for the rest of my life, because from that day onwards till today, my major strength is my daughter, I must say. Because whenever I am down, as I said, the bad luck that follows, unfortunately, though it was gestational diabetes, I have been continuing as a diabetic, but with this great strength that my daughter gives, I just forget the entire world. I forget what are my complications, and I just forget my sorrows or worries or anything, because she has developed such a maturity, be her decision making skills, her instinct thinking capacity, the way she consoles her her grandparents when they are low with their health issues. She just attracts people, and that I can see. I live in an apartment, and in fact everybody says in my flat, nobody listens the way Kanishka listens to the words that we also tell. So this gives me more inspiration. So be it her studies wise, or she is in her first standard now, but very good maturity skills. For an example, I would like to give a small example. So recently I have undergone my vitrectomy eye operation. I am a great devotee of Sai Baba, and I strictly follow every instruction that has been given by Baba to his devotees. So I have kept a small photo on my cot which is having two eyes of Sai Baba. So my little daughter always keeps telling me, "Mommy, why are you worrying about this the eye operation? Look there, Baba is always looking at us. So you need not worry, you need not bother." And she said very clearly, "Don't worry about the operation. It's just a matter of 2 days. They'll just put the bandage and they will send you home. That's all." So she never had a bit of tears also when I was leaving. So she said, "Happy, all the best, bye bye." So this is how. This is just a small instinct. In this way, every day of my life, I come across through so many examples. She is healthy, be it her health wise, her intellectual wise. She has turned into one of the incomparable child when I compare the other children with the same age. So, and I must thank a big thanks to all the people of End Pregnancy program who has taken so much of care in developing this kind of attitude in me, and where I was able to give birth to such a wonderful and incomparable child. I just fall short of words to explain about her or to talk about her, because every day is like a kind of learning experience for me. So this is what I would like to tell. At the end, I would like to conclude my small interaction with you all by telling a big thanks to Dr. Shanti ma'am, whose contribution was the maximum. Dr. Srilekha ma'am, who is supporting me till today, because she is my daughter's pediatrician. So I get the greatest support from her. And I also would like to thank the entire team of End Pregnancy program for this particular wonderful program which has been given to me, which has enlightened me so much. And I would tell every pregnant lady, whoever visits, okay, so please go through this particular program. You will also have a wonderful experiences the same way I also experienced. So once again, thank you one and all. Namaste.